Yes, can you all see the textbook on the screen, students? Okay. And in the workbook, you should be on page 33. Workbook page 33, we had already written the answer 6.2. And today we'll start from 6.3. Okay? The question is, when is a storm created? Is that the question? Okay, fine. Now this answer is not given directly in your textbook. So I am going to dictate it and you will write it. Okay, when is a storm created? Write the answer. A storm is created. A storm is created at the time of at the time of heavy rainfall, heavy rainfall, or when air blows, when air blows, check the spelling on the screen, blows at a great speed, at a great speed, full stop, complete. I repeat, a storm is created at the time of heavy rainfall or when air blows at a great speed. Done, all of you? Okay. Number 4. What is a forest fire? Discussion, explanation is already done. Just now we have to write the meaning of forest fire. Okay? The answer is over here on this page. And these 2 lines make your answer, starting from here. Friction between drivers cause forest fire. It causes a great amount of damage to the forest resources. The 2 lines make your answer 6.4. Did you all get it? Can you all see on the screen? Okay, start writing. Okay, now comes your answer number 5. Can the disasters mentioned in this unit be called geographical events? Why? Do you think that all these disasters which we learned are geographical events? Obviously yes, because they are natural disasters. None of the disasters which we learned are man-made disaster. है ना, इसमें से हम कोई भी डिजास्टर क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते या स्टॉप नहीं कर सकते, रिड्यूस नहीं कर सकते. So, can the disasters mentioned in this unit be called geographical events? Yes. Why? Yes, सिर्फ yes no में नहीं देना है, why भी करना है, ठीक है? तो write down first. The first line I am dictating. Remaining is in the textbook. Okay, write down. Yes. Yes, comma, the disasters mentioned, the disasters mentioned in this unit, in this unit can be called geographical events, can be called geographical events into inverted commas, as it is there in question. Because yes, the disasters mentioned in this unit can be called geographical events because. Now after because I am marking over here. यहाँ से start करो. from here. Disasters like earthquake, tsunami, and volcano occur due to the changes in the interiors of the earth, whereas disasters like floods, cyclone, forest fires, drought, etc. occur due to the changes on the surface of the earth, up to surface of the earth. It's a 6.5. And disasters का D कर दो small, as we have already written up to because. Am I clear, all of you? Okay, write the answer. Okay, now comes your answer 6. How can you get information about disasters from the government? Now you know that when any sorry, you can rejoin beta. Rejoin kar do. Okay. Now, when any of the disasters occur, not only in your state or your country, but any part of the world, you know that we immediately come to know that what has happened in which part of the world. Yes or no? पता चल जाए. So how do you get to know? That is the question. Right? Now, answer again, it is not directly given in the textbook. I am dictating. So start writing. We get information. We get information about about disasters from the government, G capital, government, through various various means of mass communication, various, check the spelling, means of mass communication which includes print media, which includes print media and electronic media and electronic media. I repeat, we get information about disasters from the government through various means of mass communication, which includes print media and electronic media. Now listen very carefully, print and electronic. Print media, which includes newspapers, magazines, books, circulars, etc. And electronic media means television, radio, mobile phones, internet, etc. तो हमें प्रिंट मीडिया में से भी न्यूज मिलते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में से भी मिलते हैं whenever any natural disaster occurs. समझ में आ रहा है all of you? Am I clear? Yes? Okay. Now turn your page in the workbook, page number 34. We are moving towards 7.1. Check the question. What benefits would you get if you live in a volcanic region? Write 5 points. Now you all know that volcano results in lot of destruction. Yes, there are lot of disadvantages. There is lot of destruction due to volcano. But we also learned that there are some of the benefits of volcano also. Yeah, there are benefits. We had discussed this if you remember. Yes. So I'm marking this answer. You will start from here. पॉइंट वाइज अभी वर्कबुक में स्पेस नहीं है और आप पॉइंट वाइज नहीं लिखते हो तो इट्स ऑल राइट एग्जाम में जब पूछा जाए तो यू राइट इट पॉइंट वाइज ओके सो द आंसर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स सो हैव अ लुक वेरी क्लियरली प्रॉपरली आप पहले यहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे फर्स्ट लाइन द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ लैंड इंक्रीजेस ड्यू टू लावा इतना लिखेंगे द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ लैंड इंक्रीजेस ड्यू टू लावा देन यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर The potassium-rich soil from the volcanic residuals help the farmers to obtain abundant crop production. The hot water springs in the areas of volcano have germ-killing properties and that cause skin diseases. At a lower depth from surface of earth, certain minerals like mercury, tungsten, tin, platinum, zinc, aluminum, etc. can be obtained easily due to volcano. वहाँ से लेकर actually at the end of the paragraph. The lava that goes down inside the vent of extreme volcano turns into diamonds. The small rocks thrown out during volcanic eruption known as lapilli, which have been proved to be very useful as they can be molded easily. This is your full answer. First you will write this sentence, then directly start from here up to here. Did you get the answer properly, all of you? Yes, this is your 7.1. All these are the benefits of a volcano. Any queries? No break in between. If you want to write in points, you can write, and if you have shortage of space, you can continue on page 35 also. You have been given enough space. Okay? Any other queries? Did you get the answer, all of you? Okay, start writing. Okay, in case if you complete 7.1, it's okay. We don't have time for 7.2. सो 7.1 अगर आपका बाकी रहे 7.2 तो वैसे भी नहीं कर पाएंगे 7.1 भी अगर बाकी रह जाता है तो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट देयर इज लेस देन 1 minute लेफ्ट सो इफ यू थिंक यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू कंप्लीट देन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट अदरवाइज यू कैन कंटिन्यू राइटिंग